पहले मैं गांव में रहा करता था. Earlier I used to live in a village. पहले मैं स्कूल जाया करता था. Earlier I used to go to school. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Deepak and I welcome you once again in a yet another new and valuable session of Spoken English. Friends, Spoken English is a journey that we need to complete step by step, and there are various steps involved in this journey. So we have brought an important step in this video. In other words, we have brought an important lesson of spoken English in this video, and which will definitely help you in walking the path of spoken English in a very confident way. So friends, we will learn something new in this video. Before we start our session, friends, I request you to hit the subscribe button of our channel, like this video and share this video among your friends and families. So friends, let's start our session now. So friends, the topic that we are going to learn today is used to, USED2. Yes, we will learn this topic. But before starting this topic, let me tell you this topic also has two subtopics, because two forms of sentences can be made through this topic, and because of the time constraint we cannot learn both the subtopics in a single video. That's why today we will learn only one subtopic of used to, and therefore this video will be the part 1 of used to, and in the next video we will learn another subtopic of used to. There we will learn another forms of sentences that can be made through used to. So I welcome you in the part 1 of used to. So friends, let's understand this topic now. So friends, if I ask you in Hindi, suppose आप पहले किसी पुराने घर में रहते थे, तो आप अगर किसी को बताएंगे मैं पहले पुराने घर में रहता था, तो आप कैसे बोलेंगे? या फिर सपोज आज आप कॉलेज में हैं या फिर आज जॉब कर रहे हैं और आप किसी को बोलेंगे मैं पहले स्कूल जाता था या फिर मैं पहले कॉलेज जाता था, तो आप ये इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? So friends, this is all about today's topic. We will talk about this topic, and this topic means ऐसी बात जो पहले हुआ करती थी लेकिन आज नहीं होती. जैसा कि मैंने कहा, पहले मैं स्कूल जाया करता था, पहले मैं कॉलेज जाया करता था, पहले मैं गांव में रहा करता था, पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोला करता था, पहले वो लोग बहुत अच्छा बर्ताव किया करते थे. सो ऑल दी सेंटेंसेस आर मेड विथ statement which are spoken for the past, and now that doesn't happen. So we will learn how to translate these sentences in English. So let's start with a simple sentence. पहले मैं गांव में रहा करता था. Earlier I used to live in a village. पहले मैं स्कूल जाया करता था. Earlier I used to go to school. मैं पहले बहुत बातें किया करता था. Earlier I used to talk a lot. मैं स्मोकिंग कभी नहीं करता था. I didn't used to smoke. मैं इतनी पिक्चरें कभी नहीं देखा करता था. I didn't used to watch so many of movies. So friends, these kind of sentences we will learn in this video. So let's start with the concept. So while speaking these sentences we should understand the concept, because without concept we won't be able to speak the sentences. So let's start with the helping verb that will be helpful for us in understanding the concept. The good part is that the only helping verb is available in this topic is did. That's the only helping verb we have. We don't have to remember so many of helping verb. Only did will work for this topic, right friends? So I've written helping verb did. If it is a positive sentence, we have to use did, and if it is a negative sentence, we have to use didn't. Like I said, पहले मैं स्मोकिंग नहीं किया करता था, आई डिडंट यूज टू स्मोक, राइट फ्रेंड्स। सो दिस इज अ टॉपिक यूज टू, पुरानी बात जो अब नहीं होती। सो फ्रेंड्स, it is very important for us to understand the rules, because if we know the rules we can frame any kind of sentences related to any topic. So this topic also has rules, and 4 rules we will learn. Let's learn these rules step by step. So rule number 1 is when we have to speak positive sentences. Rule number 1 is when we have to speak positive sentences, and in this rule, uh, the rule would be like this: subject plus used to plus first form of verb plus extra. Subject plus used to plus first form of verb. You just have to put first form of verb in this topic. That's it. You don't need to remember so many forms. Only first form of verb plus extra. Let me give you example. I used to wake up early in morning. पहले मैं, आजकल तो मैं जल्दी नहीं उठ पाता, लेकिन पहले मैं बहुत जल्दी उठ जाया करता था. I used to wake up early in the morning. They used to eat lunch at sharp 2 p.m. अभी क्या हुआ, उनका लंच का टाइम 3 बजे का हो गया, लेकिन पहले वो 2 बजे लंच कर लिया करते थे, शार्प 2 बजे लंच कर लिया करते थे. They used to eat lunch at sharp 2 p.m. रोहन यूज टू स्टडी ए लॉट फॉर हिज बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. अभी रोहन ने बोर्ड एग्जाम्स क्लियर कर लिए हैं, लेकिन बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में वो बहुत पढ़ाई करता था. रोहन यूज टू स्टडी ए लॉट फॉर हिज बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. रोहन सब्जेक्ट हो गया, यूज टू फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब स्टडी, और अ लॉट फॉर हिज बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. सीमा यूज टू क्राई इन हर स्कूल. सीमा बहुत इमोशनल थी और वो स्कूल में बहुत रोती थी, तो इसको हम कैसे बोलेंगे यूज टू का यूज करके. सीमा यूज टू क्राई इन हर स्कूल. सीमा स्कूल में रोती थी. So friends, we have covered the rule number 1. Rule number 1 is very simple. For the positive sentences, we have to use used to, used to, and then we have to put first form of verb, and the sentence will be made for the purani baat. Let's move to the rule number 2. So rule number 2 will be for the sentences which are spoken in a negative form. Like, मैं पहले smoke नहीं किया करता था. I didn't used to smoke. मैं इतना खाना नहीं खाया करता था. I didn't used to eat a lot. So let's understand the examples. First, understand the rule. Subject plus didn't. So here it was a positive, so no helping verb was required. But here, since it is a negative sentence, we have to use helping verb. Subject plus didn't plus used to plus first form verb plus extra. Let's understand it through examples. I didn't used to smoke. मैं पहले स्मोक नहीं करता था. मैं स्मोक नहीं करता था. He didn't used to come late. वो तो लेट नहीं हुआ करता था. वो पहले लेट नहीं हुआ करता था. They didn't used to interact. वो लोग बातचीत नहीं किया करते थे. वो लोग तो ऐसे ही वो बातचीत करते ही नहीं थे. We didn't used to eat tiffin. हमारी तो टिफिन खाने की आदत ही नहीं है. हम टिफिन नहीं खाया करते थे. So friends, this is how we can use the negative sentences using used to. So friends, 2 more rules are still remaining. These last 2 rules are very important, so please bear in this video, and only then you'll be able to frame all the sentences. Friends, let's move to the rule number 3. Rule number 3 is all about asking questions, and these questions start with the word kya in Hindi. In Hindi, these questions always start with the word kya. Let me give you an example. क्या आप लोग पहले विलेज में रहा करते थे? Did you people used to live in village? क्या आप इतना धीरे बोला करते थे? Did you used to speak in a low volume? So these kind of sentences we can use in this rule number 3. So friends, let's understand the rule number 3 and the concepts of rule number 3. In rule number 3, friends, we have to use did and didn't. Did for positive question and didn't for negative question. So in this rule we have to start the sentence with did or didn't. In Hindi we start the sentence with kya, but in English we have to start the sentence with helping verb, and the helping verb in this topic is did or didn't. Did or didn't plus subject plus used to plus first form verb plus extra. This is the simple rule of this topic. Let's move to the examples. Didn't you used to play a lot? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अभी आप नहीं खेलते लेकिन पहले आप खेला करते थे, तो मैं उससे पूछूंगा क्या आप पहले खेला नहीं करते थे? Didn't you used to play a lot? Didn't they used to come late? भाई अभी तो वो लोग जल्दी आते हैं लेकिन पहले वो लोग लेट नहीं आया करते थे. Didn't they used to come late? Did she used to sing a song? क्या वो पहले गाना खाती थी? Did she used to sing a song? क्या वो गाना गाती थी? क्योंकि अभी तो वो गाना गाती है, क्या वो पहले भी गाना गाती थी? Did he used to travel alone? वो हमेशा अकेला ही ट्रैवल करता है, तो क्या वो पहले भी अकेला ही ट्रैवल करता था? So friends, we have completed the rule number 3. Rule number 3, we have to start the sentence with the helping verb. Now friends, let's move to the rule number 4. And rule number 4 is also about question, but these questions start with W word. The W word family, which has or which contains what, when, which, where, and many more, and how HOW is also included in this WH family. So how to ask these kind of questions using WH word we will learn in this rule. So let's move to the concept of rule number 4. We have to start the sentence with the W word, then we have to use did or didn't, then subject, then used to, then first form of verb, and then extra. Let's move to the examples. How did you used to drive so fast? अब मान लीजिए कोई गाड़ी बहुत तेज चलाता है, तो मैं उससे पूछूंगा, मतलब वो अभी तो तेज नहीं चलाता लेकिन पहले वो बहुत तेज चलाता था, तो मैं उससे पूछ सकता हूँ आप इतनी तेज गाड़ी कैसे चलाते थे? How did you used to drive so fast? Why didn't you used to study? अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई किसी क्लास में फेल हो गया, कोई बच्चा किसी क्लास में फेल हो गया, तो मैं उससे पूछ सकता हूँ कि आप पढ़ाई क्यों नहीं किया करते थे? Why didn't you used to study? When did you used to prepare notes? मैंने आपको नोट्स बनाते हुए कभी नहीं देखा, आप मुझे बताओ आप नोट्स कब बनाया करते थे? When did you used to prepare notes? What did he used to study? What did he used to eat in lunch? भाई वो लंच में क्या खाया करता था, ये तो बताओ. क्योंकि अभी तो वो लंच नहीं खाता, वो लंच में पहले क्या खाया करता था? Where did he used to go for morning walk? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि वो मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए पहले कहाँ जाया करते थे, क्योंकि रिसेंटली हमने देखा है वो एक नई जगह जाते हैं, लेकिन पहले वो मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए कहाँ जाया करते थे. सो फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव completed all the 4 rules of this topic, and we have completed almost all the important points and topics of this lesson. Friends, I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Please prepare notes. Please write all the sentences that comes in your mind after watching this video, and then practice all those sentences. Practice with your friends, with your family, or any of the person who wants to improve English like you. So friends, by doing so, you will definitely improve your English on daily basis. So friends, I am signing off from this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.